your name.
Okay.
What's up?
Juria. One to you. What is your full name, ma'am? I'm sorry if I mispronounced your first name.
You talking to me?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, I'm
Juria, can you mute yourself? Can you, Juria, can you unmute yourself, please?
Hi,
Hi, how are you? What is your name, please?
Algeria Lauderdale.
Juria Lauderdale. Good morning.
I have a question.
What is your question?
I was on a week and a half ago, and Mr. How you say his name, Patel?
Yes.
They told me to join today just in case because they wasn't sure if all the tickets had been placed together for the next court date in September.
It looks like they have. All the tickets are on September's docket.
Okay, so should I stay on?
No, you're fine. 29th, please. And
Okay,
best of luck.
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
iPhone. Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please? Unmute yourself.
Cashmere Gray?
Cashman Gray.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, I'm gonna start bringing them in. We're gonna get them in.
Good morning and welcome to 36th District Court. Courtroom 434 is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there's no eating, drinking, talking, gum chewing. Sit up straight. Also, there's no driving. Keep your cellular devices on mute until your name is called. Additionally, please remove all hats, caps, and do-rags. Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, everyone. Oh, you gotta mute your device, please, Ms. Grant. Mr. Grant, Demetrius Grant, you gotta mute your device. Good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get you out as fast efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. Please be ready, be dressed, be up, be appropriately dressed. If you're not, we're gonna move on to the next person. All right, so are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
iPhone, I'll just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself? Start your camera and state your name, please. iPhone, I'm sending you the prompt. Oh, there you go. Unmute yourself, state your name, please.
Alyssa Gordon.
Hello.
Yes, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you.
What is your name?
Leon Owens.
Leon Owens.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that.
Oh, sorry. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kayla Green, case number SP 1569375, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Kayla Green.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come back, okay? Let's pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Fantasia Gibson, case number SP 1546217, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne, good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Ms. Gibson. State your name for the record, please.
Fantasia Gibson.
For purpose of arraignment, she stand mute, wait for my readings, Your Honor. Ask that the warrants be recalled.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Ms. Gibson, with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Marcus Antonio Lloyd, case numbers SP 1700120, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1736699, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Marcus Lloyd.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Judge.
Your Honor, are we doing every third? We just take them? Is this working?
Yeah, I'm just gonna call. So what we're gonna do is you'll get one, and then when you're done, I'm gonna call you another one right behind. You'll be in breakout room 5 with them. Okay.
Okay. Ted Wallace on behalf of Marcus Lloyd.
All right, Mr. This is in time set for a show cause. Mr. It's not $50 you have on $0 bond. Mr. Wallace, Mr. Boyd has some other matters. But that one related to this one, that's in default. I wouldn't have any issue setting. So. Mr. Lloyd has a civil infraction related to this matter, and he has 3 newer tickets. So we'll treat it like a one-stop shop. The failure to stop that was related to this matter, the civil infraction. He also has an improper equipment, a no insurance proof, and a no ops. Give Mr. Lloyd an updated offer, Mr. Wallace. Mr. Lloyd, if you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Put you in a breakout. Mr. Wallace, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you. Yeah.
That's the matter.
Do we have offers yet?
The city should be coming in.
I'm sorry. Do we have offers yet, Your Honor?
No, the city should be coming in.
Okay.
That's actually asking for this.
Morning, Mr. Patel.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Lawan Gortman. I was wondering if I could get placed in a breakout room with him.
Juan Portman. Is Mr. Portman here? I don't believe he arrived yet.
Yeah, I'm here.
Juan Portman, you are? Okay, very good. Good morning to you. Put you on the 7th.
Okay.
Motorola device, good morning to you. Is that Mr. Little?
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Little. What's going on now?
Grand Rising. Well, I was ordered to come here or summoned here, and would like to make a matter of record that if I can, that I'm here under
your stuff had been dismissed the other day. I don't know why you're back.
They had a for old one, but then the Department of the state of Michigan Department of Lansing just sent me a letter telling me that the state has determined that the statute of limitations has expired for the above financial responsibility case pursuant of Michigan Vehicle Code MCL 257.513. Your judgment is deemed satisfactory and full, and your financial responsibility case has been terminated. So I don't understand why I'm here myself.
You're not supposed to be here. I don't have you scheduled to be here. Let me see. I don't have anything. You just owe the court some old money on some old tickets, but that has nothing to.
They said that. They said that my judgment was satisfactory and that my financial responsibility case has been terminated. So I don't owe anything according to them.
Okay. I don't have a case for you today.
I have the show of cause. It's a show of cause case.
Well, that may have been a show cause case, but you don't have anything open in front of me anymore. Those cases were dismissed the other day.
Okay, but that was for another ticket.
What ticket number do you have that on show cause?
SP 169529610 OT.
Yeah, because you wasn't protecting mine.
That 2961, that ticket is closed. That ticket has been dismissed. Be safe, Mr. Little. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Sir, thank you.
Mr. Soroki, good morning to you. What is your client? Okay. All right. Are we ready on anyone? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the offer of the prosecutor to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates for the no insurance charge and the no registration charge to be dismissed.
Ms. Green, you don't have a vehicle in your name?
Not currently.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did you not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 30th, 2024, at around 7:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Griswold and 4th Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You were operating a motor vehicle, is that correct?
Yes.
Was this your 2014 Jeep?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Correct.
Why is that?
Because I did not have insurance at the time.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates via $240 fine. I will dismiss that ticket upon payment and stipulated probable cause will dismiss the other matter now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240, Ms. Green. When can you pay it?
How much is it?
$240.
$240? I can pay it in 2 weeks.
All right, I'm gonna set the date for August the 15th. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it now.
What's the name of the app?
DivDad, DIVDAT. If it's paid, you don't have to show back up, but if it's not paid, I need to see you, okay?
Okay.
DIVDAT, DivDad.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you so much. You as well.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Diamani Del Rico lately. I hope I pronounced your name correct, sir. Case number SB 169555681. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lately.
Diamani Del Rico lately.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lately. Did somebody call you? No attorney got in touch with you?
Yeah, she did, but I didn't hear from her.
Judge, this is my client, Mr. Lately.
Okay. Appearance for the record, Mr. Soroki.
Alan Soroki, P37441. Appearing on the defendant, Diamani lately.
All right, Mr. Soroki, Mr. Lately, Mr. Soroki is going to get you an updated offer. keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lately, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him, and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, I also have three clients. One's Roosevelt Outlaw. I see him in the courtroom, and also Marvin Louie.
Mr. Lately's gonna be in room 6.
6? Okay, thank you, Judge.
On the Samsung device I just let in the room, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself? Start your camera and state your name, please. Samsung device, I just let you in the room. Can you start your camera, unmute yourself, and state your name, please?
It's Rico Guest, Mr. Judge. Yes, sir.
Okay. Your attorney is here, Mr. Guest. I'm gonna put you in the,
Yes, sir.
all right, your attorney is here, so sit tight until he gets ready. Mr. Ogletree is here, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning to you too, sir. I don't know how to do it. Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I don't know how to exactly because I'm using my brother that went to work, and I'm still illiterate to learning how to use the computers and stuff.
All right.
And so I don't know how to. Do I have to click in and click out?
I'm gonna send you a prompt to click in the breakout room, Mr. Guest, and wait on Mr. Ogletree, all right? It's breakout room. Hit the button 8, join 8.
Hey, Joy.
It says join.
You want me to hit it now?
Yes. And just wait in there.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Murphy here for the case with Mr. Guest.
Okay, very good. Very good. All right. Good morning to you. On the iPhone, I just let in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Tyrell Gladney.
Tyrell Gladney. Good morning to
Yes.
you, Mr. Guest.
Good morning.
I don't see it in the docket. Give me a minute.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Chloe Simone Goldie Owens. Case number SB 1726020, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1726057, counts 1, 2, and 3. And Z8097211. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Chloe Simone Goldie Owens.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The matter of the Z ticket is I don't know what that's set for right now, but Ms. Owens, are you going to hire your own lawyer, or are you going to ask the court to appoint you a lawyer for these matters?
I was told I was getting a court-appointed lawyer.
All right. We'll arraign her on the Z ticket as well, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna give her a $500 personal bond. I'm gonna mark the file need appointed attorney. Ms. Owens, I'm gonna have you start testing 1 time per week down here at the court. There be no leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission.
Okay.
And no drinking during the pendency of this case.
Okay.
You can speak to Mr. Barry and give you, can answer some questions at least for you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. He can potentially get you an updated offer, but I would rather you have a court-appointed lawyer or a lawyer for you that's specific to you moving forward before you take any deal. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry, have a conversation with them, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, where does she appear on the docket?
The second page, but the Z ticket is not on there. Second page, the last name at 835. Let's pass the matter. Is anyone ready? Let's go back on the record.
We're ready on Ms. Gibson.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, would like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial. She's on medical right now and just need a little more time.
All right, I'm going to give you a pretrial date, Ms. Gibson, of August the 21st, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I hope your health gets better and you get back to work soon, all right?
All right, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too, bye.
All right, let me get you going on someone else, Miss, and then I'll take Mr. Patel.
Yeah, this is Officer Murphy. And if you could I be placed in a breakout room?
Yes, give me 1 minute, please.
No worries.
Dexter Gleason. This is the City of Detroit versus Dexter Gleason, case number SP 112030, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 12899, counts 2. SP 1399941, SP 1404327, SP 1429952, count 1, SP 1481222, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Dexter Gleason, case number SX34708321 and 207117731. Appearance for the record, please.
Stephanie Bradley on behalf of Mr. Gleason. State your name for the record, sir.
Dexter Gleason.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gleason. I see that he did pay his reinstatement fees. If I can ask your client if he has one, if he knows if he has a license, but if you want to speak to him in a breakout room, I'll have Miss Mathis run the license when she comes back. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Give Mr. Gleason an updated offer. Mr. Gleason, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Patel.
Yes. Mr. Gortman would like to speak to House Counsel and avail himself of the regular court process, and he may need an updated offer. He has a valid license at this time.
Very nice. All right. So is he gonna remain in street court or no?
He is not.
Very good. All right, you're free to leave then. We'll take Mr. Gortman in the order that he came in.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, let me get Gladney. Gladney was, I didn't have him on my docket, Tyrell. Let's see what's going on. Mr. Gladney, you're supposed to be in room 336. Your file is in room 336.
Is that Mr. King?
I don't know who's down there in 336. 360, 336. I don't think that's King.
Okay.
That's a visiting judge. 360, 336, 0000. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gladney, be safe and have a great day.
Okay, thank you. 3, 6.
Marlon Sardin.
Yes, sir, Officer Sergeant.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are we ready on Miss Owens?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Owens. Miss Owens, I do need a good phone number from you. For what litigation is.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
It's 313.
Okay.
680-3722.
Very well. I'm going to give you the number of probation. Ms. Owens, I expect you to be tested, and I expect to have a test this week and every week thereafter until the case is dissolved or so if something else changes in my order. I do expect that the test be negative. If there's any positive test, diluted test, or missed test, then we're going to up the ante on the bond. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I want to give you the number of probation. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But I want you to have the number. If you find that it's getting toward the end of the week and nobody's called you, then I want you to reach back out to us or call the number or do whatever you need to do to make sure you get that test this week, okay?
Your
Okay,
Honor,
I just have. Oh.
Your Honor, until
Yes.
she is in a rehab facility and does not have her phone until Saturday when she'll be released.
What type of well, I will are you testing at that facility, ma'am?
Yes.
And you will be out of there. How long have you been there?
I've been here 26 days. I'm doing 30 days.
And did you check yourself into that facility?
No.
That was court ordered?
Yes, through Oakland County.
All right, well, let's set a pretrial date for next week. Come back on the 5th of August, and I'm setting that date because I really want to make sure that you have this appointed attorney as contact. If you don't get contact with you, if that attorney doesn't contact you by the 5th of August, we'll appoint one on the spot for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, do you have any further questions, ma'am?
You said a phone number I need to write down or wait till the 5th?
Number the probation down. I guess I don't expect you to have a test this week, but the number of probation is 313-965-3414.
You said what? I can't understand. Okay. I don't know if this is possible, but you can get the test results from the rehab center that I've been.
Yeah, we're gonna get those.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Yes. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very much welcome, ma'am, and I'll see you next week. And that date is set to make sure that you are that attorney has been contacted you, okay?
Okay. Have a
All right, be
nice day.
safe now and good luck on your sobriety, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is Demetrius Grant there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Demetrius Grant, case number SP 1717642 SP 1728605, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1728641, SP 1749449, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
Demetrius Grant.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
Day is date and time set for a
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. So I only see 2 on the docket. I called more than that in the record. Let's see what we have as far as what is here. Are you ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
I have a no insurance misdemeanor, a disregard the traffic control device,
It probably just needs to be.
no seatbelt, and the newer tickets are no insurance misdemeanor, defective brake light, and another seatbelt ticket. Mr. Grant, Mr. Berry's gonna get you up. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Say that one more time.
He's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's the matter. City Attorney, good morning. Good morning, Ms. Snyder. You have some on you and the
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning.
You ready on Marcus Lloyd, Mr.
Yes.
Hold on, Mr. Guest. You have to keep quiet, Mr. Guest.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
I'm a mute you, okay? Because all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Marcus Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I've spoken with Mr. Lloyd and I've spoken with the city attorney, and Mr. Lloyd would like to take advantage of the offer from the city attorney, and that's on all of those tickets that were mentioned earlier, including the failure to stop and the equipment violation. The offers for Mr. Lloyd to plead to 1 count of failure to display with a dismissal of remaining charges.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lloyd?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Wallace went over your other advice and rights, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about it?
I had another court date for August 18th. I was wondering, did all these tickets come together, or do I still have to come August 18th?
All of it's gonna be wrapped up in this one thing.
Okay, that's it.
You don't have any questions about the rights, do you?
No, I don't.
I don't see anything else that would have you come back.
I got one last question. Is there anything stopping me from getting my license right now?
I don't see anything that's stopping you from getting your license.
Okay, so I should just go to the Secretary of State and pay the
Yeah,
reinstatement?
I wish you would have done that before you came in here, but yes, but you know, you got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 cases dismissed and just pleading one, so I don't know if it's gonna get much better than that, but anyway.
Okay.
You understood those rights, right?
Yes.
And you don't have any questions about them, do you?
No, I don't.
And has anybody offered you, you know you're gonna lose your rights if you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 5th, 2025, 2:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Mile and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I was pulled over for not having insurance, but I had insurance on my car.
Are you do you want to dispute it? Or do you want to take the
that was taken into consideration. I have seen the proof of insurance. That was there was a driving there's a license ticket that failure to display would cover. I apologize if that wasn't clear.
No, I didn't. That's not what I'm saying. He, you know, with Mr. Lloyd, it sounds like Mr. Lloyd is saying that they didn't have a basis to pull him over.
They didn't. He said I had no insurance, and I have a brand new vehicle with full coverage insurance on it.
Did you have proof of insurance with you at the time?
Yes, I did. He said he ran my plate and it came back that I didn't have insurance, and that's impossible because they take it out of my check weekly.
See, that's what the issue is. You can either go back and renegotiate, or it is another ticket here. Yeah, I can let them take a amended count of driving while license suspended, allowing for the driving while license suspended. But and on another separate issue, if you want to, but if you want to argue that, then you have the full right to argue that. We can take you back to May the 22nd, 2025, around 10 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Finkel and Whittingham. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did. I did run the stop sign that day.
Okay, very well. So you want to, these other cases will be dismissed with this deal. Do you want to take the allowing? It's the same deal as the improper plates. It's going to be a $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon, well, no, strike that. It's the same deal. It'll be a failure to display, $240 fine. What do you want to do, Mr. Lloyd?
Still no points or anything. It's just a different addressing a different
Just take a factual basis on a different ticket. Those other tickets will be dismissed.
Okay, I'll take that deal and just pay the ticket.
All right. So on that day, you were operating that motor vehicle. Is that correct?
Yes.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
I produced one because I thought my license was only suspended 90 days. That's what I had in my wallet. So I still have my physical copy of my license, and I had the paper from the judge in the court in my wallet. I didn't know that my license wasn't valid.
Yeah, but are you contesting the fact that or would you contest the fact that the officer is wrong and your license was valid, or are you agreeing that the license was not valid?
They was not valid. I just didn't know they weren't valid. So I didn't know, but I produced it.
Very good. I'll find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display, a $240 fine, which stipulates the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Right. You owe $240 on an old ticket as well, SP 169-66881. So that's $240 and $240. When can you pay?
I can get on a payment plan because I can't pay that for the next month or so.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to say pay by August 29th. And I marked the file payment plan. Either you pay it by August 29th, or you come down to the court and get into that payment plan by August 29th. If you want to pay it in the DIV kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DIV app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. Or come to the court before August 29th and get into that payment plan.
Okay, I will.
If you don't have any further questions, you have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You as well. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Wallace versus Marvin Louis, case number D13-570-125, D13-570-225. Appearance for the record, please.
Ed Wallace, on behalf of the defendant.
Did you say Marvin Louis, Your Honor?
Yeah, that's your client, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, defendant is requesting a bench trial in this matter.
All right. Investigator Puritan, are you there? Investigator Puritan was here. So I'll set a bench trial date for Mr. Louis. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Marvin Louis.
All right, good morning to you. I'll set a bench trial date for August 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If something further, Mr. Louis, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Okay, the 22nd, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
I just spoke to Investigator Curitan, and she somehow got notice to come here today on Mr. Louis, and she says that the matters can be dismissed.
Okay, well, there you go. There you go, Mr. Louis. Mr. Dismissed. That's even better, huh?
Case dismissed.
Unless Mr. Louis objects to that dismissal. Do you object to that dismissal?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah. All right, dismiss. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, for you and your person. With you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Let's go with Tanisha Garvin. Did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am? Oh.
Yes, thank you so much.
All right, Mr. Wallace, this is the city of Detroit versus Tanisha Garvin. Case number SP1070-286, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP13305391, SP138864, counts 1 and counts 3. SP15435741, SP16422141, SP16888527, counts 1 and counts 2, SP173438 counts 1 and counts 2, SP173449 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Wallace.
Apologize, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Garvin.
Ms. Garvin, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Tanisha Garvin.
This date is the date and time set for a show cause, and then other matters are in warrant status. Mr. Wallace.
Okay. I would ask that any warrants be recalled, and Ms. Garvin would. Are they under bench warrant? Well, she'd stand me.
I'll learn not guilty plea on her behalf. I'll recall the warrants. There's only 2 cases on the docket. Are you ready, Mr. Wallace?
I'd like to get an offer from the people and go to the breakout room, Your Honor.
Yeah, can you see all the cases that we called into the record? Do you have access to that?
I'll look up on the website and look at the ROAs.
Very well. All right. I call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I would have no issue of setting the equipment violation and the seatbelt to the most recent cases aside. Get your client an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Garvin, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in the breakout room with Mr. Wallace, and he'll get you an updated offer.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, this is Mark Corvo. I was advised to acknowledge when I came back out of room 6, so I'm doing that on behalf of Mr. Gakey.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Samuel Frederick Gakey, case number SB 1733631. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you again, Your Honor. Mark Corvo appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel Gakey. Your Honor, I have had a chance to speak with the prosecutor in this matter, and at this point, we are going to be setting this matter for a bench trial.
All right, Mr. Gakey, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Samuel Gakey.
You need to turn your camera on, sir. All right, today is the date, and good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Bench trial date will be August the 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further to the both of you, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're ready on Damani Lately and Roosevelt Outlaw.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Lately. Mr. Lately, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lately wishes to have this matter set for a bench trial, and also it's part of another case involving a CCW violation that's pending, which is preliminary examination at this point. So I don't know if that's going to have an effect on this case here. If we
I'll set the trial date. Mr. Lately, you want a trial date?
Yes, he wants a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, August the 22nd, 2025. Where's Mr. Lately?
He should be right out here. He should be in the courtroom.
Right here.
State your name again, Mr. Lately.
Diamante Dorico Lately.
All right, you want the trial date will be August the 22nd at 9 a.m., Mr. Lately. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Oh, you say the 22nd?
The 22nd.
And that trial's by Zoom, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Have a great day. This is the City of Detroit versus Roosevelt Schuyler Outlaw Jr. Case number SB 714392, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Roosevelt Outlaw.
Good morning to you, Mr. Outlaw. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in this matter. What does Mr. Outlaw want to do with his case?
Your Honor, at this time, we're requesting a bench trial in this matter.
The trial date, Mr. Outlaw, will be the 22nd of August at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, you too. 9 a.m. at 9 a.m. August 22nd?
Yes.
Yes.
By Zoom.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day, everyone.
You have a better one. Thank you. All right. Are we ready on anyone? Let's go back on Mr. Glisten. Let's go back on the record. What are we doing with all these cases?
Your Honor, Mr. Gleason is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation, which is to plead to one allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and the balance of his tickets will be dismissed. That's on the docket today.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $5,000 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights and breakout rules, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I do.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
No, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to February 3rd, 2023, around 3:49 PM in the city of Detroit, in the area of Connor and Longview. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
You operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
My license was suspended.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, with stipulation of probable cause, will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
$240 for that. I'll dismiss upon payment. Can you pay?
Yes, Your Honor.
What can you pay?
Today.
You have a lot of other paid money that you owe down here, Mr. Listen.
No,
Go ahead.
yeah, Your Honor, I paid the majority of all my tickets that I was supposed to pay. I came down there to 36th District and paid. I went to all the different districts. I'm really working on trying to get my license back.
Yeah, I'm just saying, you have civil infractions down here that are in the, I'm gonna waive the warrant fees, and you're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees, but you have a lot of money that's owed, so I don't know if it's best for you to just get into a payment plan or not with that money. I'm gonna give you some time to figure it out. And I'll mark the file allow payment plan. I'll give you until August 29th, 2025, but it's still a significant amount of money you owe the court here, all right?
All right, Your Honor.
You can come down to the courthouse, sir. Just get a printout and they'll show you what you owe and you can get into a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, but best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, thank you.
Oh, thank you. City of Detroit versus Eric Garr, case number SP 169-74061, U45339418. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Garr. State your name for the record, sir.
Eric Garr.
Eric Garr.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
There's the concept for a trial. Is there an officer Ionetta or Granberry? Ionetta and Granberry.
Officer Ionetta is here, sir.
Oh, good morning to you.
Morning, sir.
Take your name, badge number, and department for the record, please.
Officer Ionetta, badge number 4806, working with the Detroit Police Department, 7th Precinct.
All right. And then is there Officer Granberry? Hearing no response on Officer Granberry, give Mr. Gar an updated offer for the matter that's the other matter. And Mr. Gar, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay?
Okay, sir.
May I have a copy of the ticket, Your Honor?
You may, if there is
Thank
one in here. All right, can you give that to Ms. Bradfield, please? No, this. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gar. Speak with Ms. Bradfield and see if and she can help you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go to one, city attorney's in there.
Ready as to Mr. Grant, Your Honor.
Ready, Enrico, guys.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to 2 counts of having to do with the seatbelt and all of the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Want to take the deal, sir? Mr. Grant, are you there?
Yes, sir.
State your name.
Yes, sir.
All right, so Mr. Grant, you want to take the deal?
Yes.
I stipulate to the faces that these are just pleading to the civil infractions and dismissing the civil infractions, seatbelts, and dismissing other stuff, Mr. Barrett?
Yes.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea and your client can have.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna find him responsible for the amendment, as charged to the 2 seatbelt violations. I'll dismiss all the other matters. 65 and 65, that's 130. When can you pay it, Mr. Grant?
Say that one more time.
65 and 65, 130. When can you pay it?
Let me see. Say that one more time, sir.
When can you pay it? $130, 65 for each ticket.
Friday.
Friday. All right, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Y'all too. Thank you.
Richard Gray.
Do I leave?
You can leave, yeah. This is the city of Detroit versus Richard Omar Gray, case number SP 173-43771, SP 173-43791. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Omar Gray.
All right. Today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Mr. Gray. Set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gray, Mr. Barry, give Mr. Gray an updated offer. Keep in mind, if he doesn't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Mr. Lawyers?
Attorney, state your name.
First name Richard, last name Cummins. Good morning.
How you doing? Good morning.
And he's been plea by mail to you.
Well, he's a lawyer, so if he wants to, that's what he wants to do for his client. I'm not gonna stop.
Should he go and talk to the city?
That's up to him.
Okay.
You wanna go talk to the city and try to negotiate something?
Certainly, Judge. And the reason that I came by, I'll spare you the context on this case. But the reason that I came by was just to inquire about the mechanics of how I could, he's in the county jail, Your Honor, and he'll be there until October, mid-October or late October. I think that his thinking is if you can get a plea by mail, perhaps you might get some sort of consideration from either the prosecutor or Your Honor at sentencing with respect to time served, assumably. And this, I handled him on a felony matter. I work for NDS.
Yeah,
And
I'll talk to the city and see what you can work out, and then you can probably get time served on it if it falls into it's prior to its time now.
I believe it may be, Judge, and so will the court, will Your Honor accept a plea by mail?
Yeah, I'll accept a plea by mail, and if you want an opportunity to go speak to Ms. Snyder and move forward, I mean, across the hall to the elevators, see if you can work something out, then that's fine with me too.
I absolutely will. And my last question is, so once I've done that, and I appreciate everything very much. Once I've done that and I get an offer, assumably, what do I do then? Do I come back? And,
yeah.
Okay.
This seat is right here. So I just printed this for you. So that's.
All right,
Thank you so much.
The city of Detroit versus
Sometime in the near
yes,
future.
case number SP 1699083, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1699081. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Mr. Rico Gas, P number 69167. Mr. Rico Gas, can you state your full name and unmute your device?
Mr. Rico Guest, can you unmute yourself? Is he here? He's not.
It's not off. Okay.
All right, you have to pull him out the room, Mr. Ogletree.
Yeah, I did.
He's
I'm gonna get him out.
He's not coming out. All right, let's pass the matter. Go back on the record. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Garvin. Ms. Garvin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Your client, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, after speaking with Ms. Garvin, she wants to take advantage of the people's offer, which is to plead to 1 count of failure to disclose, 1 count of improper plates, 1 count of allowing, and the equipment violation, and then with the dismissal of the remaining 10 counts.
One count of failure to display, 1 count of allowing, and the equipment violation.
And 1 count of improper plates.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Garvin?
You have to take your phone off mute.
Yeah, check it off mute. This is off of mute.
I'm sorry, they had muted me when I first came in. But yes, sir. Yes, Judge. I would like to take the plea.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Wallace went over your other advice or rights and breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir. He said I could take a payment plan.
No, I'm talking about your rights. You have any
Oh, yes, I understand my rights. Yes.
questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Can you repeat that, please?
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 27th, 2025, around 7:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Mack and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No, sir.
Okay, that you didn't. On that day, did you own a 2008?
What was your shot? Look, what's your shot?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Getz, you have to be quiet. Did you own a 2008 Chevrolet on that date and time?
Yes, sir.
And did you allow someone to drive that Chevrolet?
Yes, sir.
And you allowed that person to drive that Chevrolet and knowing that person didn't have a valid driver's license, is that correct?
No, sir. I wasn't aware that he didn't have a driver license.
Well, we can't take it on that. Did you have insurance on that vehicle at that date and time?
At the time, I had a lien title loan, and when I went and left from the place, the lady she told me that I had insurance, no fault insurance on my car. So when I was pulled over, I told the officer what I was told by the lady, and he said he ran my plate and there was no insurance on my car.
Are you disputing the fact that you had insurance on that the officer is wrong and you were right?
No.
So would you agree that there was no insurance on the car that day, not that time?
Yes.
All right, find your client for the amended count of improper plate. I'll find your client guilty. I can't take the allowing on that because Ms. Garvin indicated that she did not know that the individual who was driving her car did not have a valid license. What about, was there tinted windows on that vehicle at that time, ma'am?
Yeah, I bought the car that way though, and I don't know where to go to get the tint off the car. I don't know where I can get it, but I will take it off because I see it's an issue.
Right. All right.
If I can be appointed to the right place to take it off. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I don't know. I don't know either. I mean, the tint shop, I guess you would have to take it to the tint shop, or I always go to YouTube.
Yeah.
I'll find her responsible as charged for that. Let's see. Let me draw your attention back to November 8th, 2024 at around 3:23 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of, well, it doesn't give me an area. and I don't have the actual ticket here. No. Let me draw your attention back to January 24th, 2024 at around 8:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Harper and Lake Point. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No.
All right. I don't have enough to take a factual basis. Do you? You get the tickets, which passed the matter. Tickets.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right. I'm gonna get God, but he here. Donovan Godwin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Likewise.
City of Detroit versus Donovan Godwin, case number SP 121-27001, SP 125-22333, SP 125-61003, SP 125-61021, SP 1288495, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1297956, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 157238881. SP 1629071. SP 1689881. SP 1732312. Counts 1, 2. SP 1732332. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1734125. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1734142. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 886503. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 975813. Counts 1, 2, and 3. 19418278. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Godbout.
God, state your name for the record, please.
First name Donovan, last name Godbout.
Mr. Wallace, give Mr. Godbout an updated offer. Mr. Godbout, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay, no.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Don't interrupt.
Without this mess, come on.
All right. One moment, please. Let's know what you want to do when you come out. And let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with documents.
All right. That's what you want to do, Mr. Gray?
Yes.
I'm going to give you a trial date for August 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Berry, is Kyle Logan there?
Your Honor, you said August 22nd?
August 22nd.
All right, 9 a.m. Okay.
Best of luck to you. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Kyle Logan. This license. Case number SP 1732986, count 1 and count 2. Please.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Logan.
My name is Kyle Logan.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Logan. The date is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Logan an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Logan, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right.
Global Street, are you ready on guests? Through there.
Mr. Gar, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Eric Gar. Mr. Gar, I've given you an opportunity.
I'm here, Your Honor.
I know you're there, sir. Now your attorney's not there. I'll give you an opportunity, Mr. Gar, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
There's a recommendation to dismiss Officer Inetta's ticket for no PO recollection, and we would also like to make a motion to dismiss Officer Granberry's ticket for failure to appear.
Okay. I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir, for the alcohol-related violation for no recollection and the other disorderly conduct for no officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gar, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Joshua Lewis. Joshua Lewis III.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
So you have a middle name, or this is the City of Detroit versus Joshua Lewis III, case number U7123515.
No, almost.
Ms. Bradfield.
Attorney Bradfield, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, sir.
Joshua Lewis III.
I think that an attorney, Ms. Harris is telling, Ms. Mathis is telling me that an attorney came in for Mr. Lewis. Did somebody come in for Mr. Lewis?
Yes.
What?
Just 1 second, Mr. Lewis.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, somebody, an attorney came in, so you did that. I don't know if you've talked to an attorney yet, Mr. Lewis. Has someone called yet?
They never contacted me.
Okay, so they came in the court, so they're gonna, let me pass the matter and wait on them to come back, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm turning the stands in.
Sorry.
Okay.
He came in, he's gonna zoom in momentarily, okay?
Okay.
I'll pass the matter. And good morning to you.
Good morning. All right.
Gates, Jeremy Gates.
Yep, this is Jeremy Gates here.
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Jeremy Gates, case number SP 115799. Strike that. SP 11579291. SP 1346699 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1724800 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1732501 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1733806 counts 1 and counts 2. Excuse me, appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield, on behalf of Mr. Gates, state your name for the record, sir.
Jeremy Gates.
All right, day and time set for a pre-trial, Ms. Bradfield. Give Mr. Gates an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gates, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Join the room, please. That may be the wrong room. Oh. That's the right. Okay. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, Mr. Berry, Mr. Logan has a valid driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor, and Mr. Logan has valid insurance. So we'd like to ask for a dismissal on the basis of providing valid documents.
Logan, the license is a novel here, but it is valid.
You said it's a, I didn't hear you.
It's a novel. It's a whole. This is some chapters.
I paid the ticket that they give me.
Yeah, you need to stop getting tickets, sir. This is
Can I
a
be,
lot of.
it's only one cop that pulled me over. One cop. And I drive in the city of Taylor. I drive Westland. I drive all around the whole state of Michigan. And only one cop pulled me over every time he see me.
Because you probably knew at that time you didn't have a driver's license. I mean, you know, now that you have one, you're gonna say surprise. Because I'm sure he's gonna be surprised too. Have a good day, Mr. Logan. I'm gonna dismiss the tickets and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations on getting the license.
Thank you.
Is that Ronnie Lanier? Is that Ronnie Lanier?
Lanier.
Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes, Ronnie Lanier.
Ronnie Lanier. All right, this is good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Ronnie Lanier, case number SP 1399637, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 148894432, SP 1717006, counts 1 and counts 2. And SX 4471791. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lanier.
Ronnie Lanier.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, get Ms. Lanier an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lanier, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. I counted 6 cases in the record. She paid the one state case, an accident case, she paid that. That's related to the failure to stop an ID of property damage accident. She also paid a 1 to 5 over the speed limit. She also paid a 16 to 20 over the speed limit. I don't think you understand when you pay these tickets, ma'am, just like this without coming to court, then you're automatically admitting responsibility to you were going 16 to 20, 1 to 5, and then more importantly, the accident ticket that they said you failed to stop at. So You speak to Ms. Lanier in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. Get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
Gordman, now, of course you are.
Oh, hey, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning to you. I know all of the defendants are ready. I need to get lawyers to make sure that you're properly represented.
Okay.
All right, I'm waiting on a lawyer now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Excuse me.
Yes. I'm waiting on your tickets, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I was just making sure I was confused. I'm sorry. Thank
You're welcome.
We're ready on Rico Gas.
All right.
Your Honor.
Yes, how you doing, Mr. Guest? Let's call City of Detroit versus, we already called Mr. Guest. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Rico Guest. Mr. Guest, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Ogletree, can you put your appearance again on the record for Mr. Guest?
Aaron Overton about for Mr. Rico Gas.
All right, Mr. Guest, good morning to you again.
Good morning to you, sir. Your Honor.
What's gonna be the resolution, if any?
He's gonna plead to the civil infraction, no plate, or no registration. The other two charges are gonna be dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Guest?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the base of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counsel?
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Guest, I'm gonna find you responsible for, as charged to the no plate, $170. When can you pay it?
I can pay it. I can pay it like in about a few days, just like on the first.
The first, I'll give you till August the 4th to get it in here, all right?
I'll get it as soon as possible, Your Honor. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, I appreciate you too. If there's nothing further, Mr. Guest, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Are you ready do you have Portman as well?
Okay. I can check out, Your Honor?
You may. Have a good
All right,
day.
thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
Mr. Ogletree?
Yes, Your Honor.
How you cut it off?
You have Portman?
I don't, let me double check. I don't believe so, but let me check.
Is that all you have?
I believe so.
All right. If there's nothing further. So,
Yeah, so you know.
All right. Have a good day.
You as well. not good.
Your Honor.
All right, let's see if we can, I was gonna see if we can get rid of some of the officers. You have a question?
Yes, Attorney Wallace and I are trying to go through Mr. Donovan Godbot's tickets, but we're not sure what is up today or not. Would he be able to get a printout from Madam Clerk?
Yeah, I have his tickets. I was gonna go and list them. You have an ink pen?
Yes.
All right. This is all the cases I called on the record. A driver license suspended. Driver license suspended. Unregistered, untitled. Driver license suspended. Driver license suspended. Unregistered, untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. Driver license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Driver license suspended. Driver license suspended. Driver license suspended. Unregistered, untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. No plates. Defective equipment. No plates. No registration. Those are civil infractions. Defective lights, brake lights. Driving license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Unregistered, untitled. Drove while unlicensed. Unregistered, untitled. Drove while unlicensed. No insurance misdemeanor. License improper. Unregistered, untitled. And a no insurance misdemeanor. I'm at 29.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Let me go through David Long. Is David Long here? David Long. See if anybody's in the waiting room. David Long. So Officer Sergeant Colonel Hampton is not here. He's retired. Officer Jamil, Investigator Charleston. David Long did not show.
Yes, I'm here. Investigator Charleston.
Sergeant
Parnell is here as well.
Yeah. Good morning to all of you. David Long did not show. So you are free to leave. I think that's it. I think Keisha Giles is here. William Green is here. And Daniel Linnell. Is Daniel Linnell here?
Yes, sir. I'm Keisha Giles, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Daniel Linnell is here. Keisha Giles, good morning to both of you. All right, they're here. And William Green is here. So all the other officers, for anyone else, they're free to leave. You safe.
Oh, I think the officer's saying.
But I see Ms. Snyder in for.
May I please have co-host, Your Honor? Thank you.
Jaleel Garvin Barnes,
Yes.
you're just waiting, sir. Take your hat off, please. Good morning to you. You're just waiting until we call your name. And then Plug Love.
I was just trying to let you know that I'm down here by the Cadillac building. They keep kicking me out.
No, I got you. I got you. You haven't lost your spot.
Okay.
Plug Love here, Antia Lodge.
And Tia Lodge. Okay. All right, we're just waiting on, okay, let's go back on the record with Gates, Jeremy Gates. I've given you an opportunity, Mr. Gates, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Oh, Ms. Bradfield had to step away, I'm sorry. Give me a minute, Mr. Gates. Give me a minute, Mr. Gates.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Oh, you ready now, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, I just made it back. Thank you.
Good. Mr. Gates, Ms. Bradfield got you an updated offer. What is this, pay fees?
Yes, Your Honor. He has a couple matters at the courthouse. He's trying to get his license, and if you could allow him to be able to pay his reinstatement fees in advance, he'll have it next court date.
Mr. Gates, I don't have an issue with allowing you to pay the reinstatement fees, but keep in mind that's not gonna absolve you from the total cost of the ticket.
Yes, she explained that to me.
All right, I'll let you get your license. I hope you get your license.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. And what was this set for? This was set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna give him a trial date now.
Okay.
So you're gonna be on the clock now, sir. You gotta get that license, all right?
Gotta move fast, Mr. Gates.
I'm about to start working today.
August 22nd, Mr. Gates, is gonna be your trial date. Come back August 22nd, and you have to come down to the courthouse and pay that refee up front, 42. I see $245. $245. So that's $90. You're gonna have to. There's no better way that I can allow you to do it. You're gonna have to come to the window. If you could pay it at the kiosk, I would let you, but you're gonna have to come to the window, pay that those reinstatement fees up front, and then get to the Secretary of State. All right. Come back August 22nd. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You say August 22nd, what time?
At 9 a.m.
9 a.m., August 22nd.
All right. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
This is the city of Detroit. Well, the city of Detroit versus Leon Perry Owens. Case number SP 1730835. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Bradfield for Leon Perry Owens.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Owens. State your name for the record.
Leon Owens.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day of date, time set for a show cause. Ms. Bradfield, I enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Owens, Ms. Bradfield, I'll get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. Is that Rick Linelli? Are you an attorney, sir? He's not paying attention. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Godbett. Mr. Godbett, you want a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back on the 22nd of August at 9 a.m., sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great rest of your day.
Could you repeat that for me, that date?
The 22nd of August.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thanks.
Grassy, is Grassy here?
Latia Grassy.
Tia Grassy, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Latia Grassy. Grassy, case number SP 1730641. Please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Grassley.
Grassy, good morning. Take your name for the record, please.
Latia Grassy.
All right. Date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Wallace, give Ms. Grassy an update offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Grassy, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lanier. Ms. Lanier, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd have asked the court to confirm that Ms. Lanier has a valid license.
Our license, please. It's valid.
Yes, Your Honor. And in that regard, Your Honor, she has shown valid insurance, and the people have agreed to dismiss the student unaccompanied ticket. And the court has indicated that she paid the failure to stop ticket.
The dismissal and everything?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, case dismissed, Ms. Lanier. I'm waiting for the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You have a good one too.
Mari Gray.
I can leave.
How was that? I'm sorry if I pronounced your first name wrong. Premier Gray. You still there? Cashmere. Thank you. I don't know what happened to him. It's not responding. Cashmere Gray. All right, let's move on to Tyrone Lane. It's the city of Detroit versus Tyrone Lane. Case numbers SP 103-2280, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 113-87462, SP 158-68221, SP 171-0369, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury. Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lane.
Tyrone Lane.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Day is date and time set for a bring on the bench warrant.
Yes, Your Honor. My client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf for giving a $0 fine. There's one matter, it seems like. Two matters that are not on the docket. One is an improper plea. I don't know why it's not registered title that went along with this. And the other one is a no insurance misdemeanor. There's 7 cases that are falling to the record. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. Yeah, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, get Mr. Lane an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lane, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Leon Perry Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, I would like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial.
All right, I'm going to set it for a pretrial for August the 21st, 2025 at 8:30. All right, Mr. Owens.
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you and have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Gortman. Case number SP 1-631-6251, SP 1-631-6261. Appearance for the record, please.
Loan Gortman.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gortman, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gortman, good morning to you. Date is the
Good morning,
date time set for a pretrial. Go speak to Ms. Bradfield. She's going to get you an updated offer. Mind if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Hey, good man. All right.
Join the room, Mr. Gortman. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Room user. Just let you in the room. Can you start your camera, state your name? Good morning to you.
Yes, it's Cashmere Gray.
Oh, I just called your name. All right, give me a minute.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Now what?
If you're gonna, I was gonna say, can I get a second before you go to the next one, unless you're ready to call one right now?
Okay, oh, you can. Rick Linnell,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're here for David Linnell?
Correct, Your Honor. That's my son, my minor son.
Yeah, okay. That's good. We'll wait until, said something a while ago. I was wondering what that was, Linnell and Linnell on there. All right, we'll get you out of here. Now, is there an officer that came for Linnell? Daniel, I'm sorry, Daniel.
Yes, Officer Sergeant, sir.
Okay, very good. All right, here, I'm gonna put you in breakout room. You guys work this out. I'll put you in 4 with,
Your Honor.
yes, I put them in a breakout room, the officer and the counselor.
Perfect. Thank you. I'll go check. And then I'm talking to Attorney Wallace on the phone, and the client he is speaking to in room 5, I think might need to be referred to street court. But he wasn't sure how to make that request. So I said I'd come ask.
Right. I'll do it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Get the tickets for Garvin.
Did you want to get the tickets for her?
Yes, because she doesn't seem to, recall any of this stuff. So I need some other tickets to make a factual basis. No contest, unless there's gonna be some sort of no contest. We have to wait, this, do you guys work it out?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, excuse me, we have to wait for the,
I'm back here.
all right, let's call it. City of Detroit versus Daniel Linnell, case number SB 17313-191. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Richard Linnell on behalf of Daniel Linnell.
Officer Sergeant, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and the department for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Police Officer Marlon Sarden, badge 4405.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a formal hearing. What is the resolution of any?
Your Honor, if I may, I had a chance to speak to the officer and agreed to a no points non-moving violation. We didn't talk about it, but I assume there's a fine that's associated with it still.
Yeah, you're talking about blocking traffic?
Yeah, impeding traffic or blocking traffic, if that's the right term.
All right, what about your client's presence? I'm going to assume you have the full authority to enter into any agreement on your client's behalf. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. My son is at wrestling camp in Ohio. Otherwise, he would definitely be here.
I'll waive your client's presence. You're retained. I don't know if you're paid, but you're retained.
No, this is the opposite of being paid. But yes, I am retained.
You can still be retained though without being paid though, right?
That is true. I have had that happen before as well, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea in your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the omitted count of blocking traffic, $175. Pay it by August the 12th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. We told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Officer Sarton, if you don't have anything further, you be safe out there. Best of luck to you. And Counselor, I was trying to find out where my friend lived on University Place years ago. It may be the house that you live in now.
Yeah, we have lived there for 8 years. So
yeah, oh, they were there a long time ago. Let me see. If it's not your house, it's the house next door to you. She lived at the house next door to you years ago. It used to be where your house was, it used to be a pool there.
Oh.
And they filled in the pool. And then obviously it's 304, I think, or well, that might be across the street.
I think that is, if it's even.
I'm not gonna be done till like 1 o'clock.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Thank you, officer. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Wallace, I'm gonna wait on the street court to come in. I'm gonna put him at 6, waiting on the tickets for Miss Garvin. So I'm gonna call the city of Detroit versus Cashmere Nicholas Gray. Case number SP 1631042, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1729071. Z8087361, 20458565, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Cashmere Gray.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Gray.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a what is it set for? Set for a pretrial 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And Mr. Gray, you got some kind of disturbing allegations here. Whole list of them. I'm going to give him a $500 personal bond. I'm going to have him start testing 1 time per week.
It looks like he might need an attorney assigned to him too, Your Honor.
No leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. No drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm going to refer the matter to probation. Are you going to hire your lawyer, or you want the court to appoint you a lawyer?
Court appointed.
I need a good phone number from you.
313-9. Oh, 926-1507.
All right, I'm gonna have you return next week. Now, I'm gonna give you the number to probation. Here's the deal. I don't know if you heard me earlier with the other people, but today is Tuesday. I expect a test this week, and I expect one every week thereafter until something in order has changed, okay?
Okay.
If you are miss a test, if you dilute, if the due test comes back diluted, or if it comes back positive for alcohol, we're gonna up the ante on the bond, okay? You understand what that means?
Yes, sir.
All the way up to locking you up, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for next week. That date is set to make sure that appointed attorney comes in contact with you. Come back on August the 4th, 2025. The number to probation is 313-965-3414.
3414. Okay. Yes, sir.
You find getting toward the end of this week, I don't want to hear an excuse from you saying that, oh, nobody called me, because you know how to contact the court. If you find that that they have contacted you to start testing, I need to test this week, so I don't want to hear any excuses. You have some numbers and you know how to get in contact with the court, okay? But they should call you, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I come back on August the 4th, 2025 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of the day.
Yes, is this an in-person or a Zoom?
It's Zoom.
Okay, cool. Okay.
You have any further questions?
No, that's all.
All right, best of luck to you, son.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Gordon. Alicia Gordon.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning to you. City of Detroit versus Alicia Gordon. Case number is SP 137-680, count 1 and count 2. SP 156-4446, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 172-9726, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 172-9271. Appearance for the record, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Gordon.
Ms. Gordon, state your name for the record, please.
Alyssa Gordon.
So there's only one case on the docket. Mr. Wallace, I counted way more than that into the record.
I think I counted 7.
Yes. So you have your pen ready?
Yes.
License improper. No insurance misdemeanor. Drove while license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. 16 to 20 over the speed limit. And an improper equipment are the other matters that are off docket. Give Ms. Gordon an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gordon, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you in the breakout room, Ms. Gordon.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Gortman. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Gortman. I'm sorry, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is an impeding traffic, counsel.
Your Honor, Mr. Gortman is aware of his trial and formal hearing rights. However, he would like to enter a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation.
That's an impeding traffic.
Yes, the impeding traffic, yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Please so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for dismissal of the other matter.
Please so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, Mr. Gordon, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When, oh, you need to, wait a minute, you need street court, right?
Say it again, Your Honor.
You need street court, right?
Street court?
Was Mr., no, that was you, oh, no, you wanted to get out of street court. $175, when can you pay it, Mr. Gordon?
Can I get some time like the end of this month too as well, Your Honor?
Are you working?
Yes.
Did you get back on your feet?
I did. I just caught up at my rent again. I would have stayed in the program, but they was asking for so much information. So I just figured I'd pay the ticket, but I'm back caught up with my rent. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, thank you. Thank God.
Right, all right, pay it by August 29th, sir, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, I appreciate you, Your Honor. I appreciate everyone. Thank you.
As well.
Bye-bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Antia Lies. Case number is SP159-68022. Here's for the record, please.
Stephanie Bradford on behalf of Ms. Lige. State your name for the record, please.
Antia Lige.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Lige. Today is the date and time. Set for a free trial, thank you. Also call SP 1681470 into the record. Ms. Lige that already owes a civil infraction that related to the no-ops ticket. Improper equipment is at 144 now. Get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lige, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
What date was the tenant window ticket?
That was the same date as the no-ops, and that was back in 6/25/2024.
Okay. And can you read me the charge on ticket ending in 701, please?
701 would be failed to use due care, caution, accident.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Join the room, Ms. Lige. Let's know what you want to do when you come out. Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
Yes, Your Honor. Ready as to Mr. Lane.
Mr. Counselor, can I have a sidebar with the counselor right quick, Your Honor?
Yeah, I'll put you back in the breakout room. He wants to talk to you again, Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
$57 even. Good morning to you. Unmute yourself, please. Good morning.
You hear me?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Why are you so late? What's your name, sir?
Tristan Gist, Tristan.
GIST.
Yes, sir.
Why are you so late?
Cause I've been trying to get in for a couple of days, but I see you gotta just sit here for a little second. It just been saying AI. I don't know what's the name. So I just tried it today and stayed in for as long as I could. I got in.
All right, good morning to you. Zoom user. Zoom user. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera? Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your name, please?
This is Keisha Giles, Your Honor. My phone had just went dead. I just had to log back in.
Keisha Giles?
Yes.
All right, very good. All right, we're coming up to the end. We're getting there.
Okay, Your Honor.
Oh, Mr. Patel.
Yes, sir.
Garvin Burns.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, I need your hand raised again.
I was trying to see who my attorney was so I could talk to him.
All right, we're getting there. I'm almost getting to you. I'm just taking them in the order that everybody came in. That's the best way I know how to be fair to everybody. That's where we're gonna sorry in here. You're sorry.
But I just got to take some papers. Yeah.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lane. Mr. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to the disorderly person ticket on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed on and off docket.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did you not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
We draw your attention back to May the 30th, 2024, around 2:38 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Verner Highway and Central. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
What were you intoxicated out there, sir?
I wasn't intoxicated, yes, but we were starting to. Officers pulled up, right, and saw us with the beer and let us know that he will write us some citations, yes.
So you were drinking outside then, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is that, did you want to plead as disorderly public intoxication, Mr. Berry? He indicates that he wasn't intoxicated yet. I can find him guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. He's admitted to drinking in public. That's it.
Yes, Your Honor. I think that's would be appropriate, and I would ask the court to do that.
All right. I'm gonna find. Do you want to take that deal, disorderly conduct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll find him guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. $240 is the fine. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor, and that's on a 90-day basis.
90-day delayed sentence.
Yes.
Come back October 30th, Mr. Lane, October 30th, 2025 at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit on both. You can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, if it's paid and you don't get any more trouble like that, then we'll dismiss the case. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Keisha Ann Giles, case number SP 1712740 SP 1713061. Excuse me, and SP 1713076. For the record, please.
Yes.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Giles.
Keisha Ann Giles.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Officer Stepowski.
Yes, Your Honor.
So did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you state your name? Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Jason Stepowski, badge 3817 with the Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. And is there an Officer Noble? I'm hearing no response. Mr. Berry, I'll grant a motion to dismiss based on no officer for that ticket. Get Ms. Giles an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I mean, the day is the day and time, except for a trial, Ms. Giles. But you're gonna break out, Mr. Berry. And you can go to 4 if you need to speak with the city attorney. If not, you can just stay in the room. Pass the matter.
If it's possible for me to have a copy of Ms. Lye's ticket that ends in 701.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This has at fault in auto X. There you go. You can get that to Ms. Bradford, please. All right, are we ready on Miss Gordon?
Yeah, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I'm giving you an opportunity to.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
I've been giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's gonna be the resolution?
Your Honor, we're gonna, Ms. Gordon's gonna take advantage of the offer, which is to plead to the equipment violation, and the speeding ticket is being reduced to, oh, I just had it. It's
Access 6 to 10,
yes, Your Honor.
and the other matters dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gordon?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that response client's behalf.
So stipulated, Mayor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10 limited access for the 16 to 20. That's 35 dollars. And I'll find your client responsible for the equipment violation. That's $120. And with that other stipulation, the other matters will be dismissed. Say that again?
Sorry.
Yes. I'm gonna cut you a break here, ma'am. You owe a lot of money to the court. I won't fine you for the equipment violation.
Thank you.
When are you gonna pay the 135? Listen, just do it this way. Just go get this together, figure out what you're gonna do. I'll give you till August the 29th, 2025. Pay it by then, or get into a payment plan. All right?
Okay, so I just owe 135.
No, you owe a lot more than 135.
Can you give
But
me a?
for the day, you owe 135.
Okay, can you give me a total?
That says here 2159. I don't know what it's gonna adjust to. It's just some of the stuff. I'll wait with warrant fees. So 2159. So it'll adjust to something a little bit different than that, but
Okay.
somewhere around that ballpark.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jaleel Garvin Barnes. Case number SP 169-93601, SP 174-6371, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Ed Wallace on behalf of Mr. Barnes.
Mr. Garvin Barnes, can you state your name, morning to you for the record, please?
Morning, Jaleel Gervin Brown.
All right, today's date and time set for a show cause. You are not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. We'll see one on the docket. That's disorderly conduct. He has 2 newer cases. A no misdemeanor and a broken license suspended. I'll get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Burns, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
I asked a question.
Why don't you ask the lawyer, okay?
All right.
If you can't answer, then I'll give you an opportunity to speak on it. Join the room, please. Ask the matter.
Yeah.
Mr. Good morning. Can you zoom in?
Let's use the box.
All right, Mr. Lewis, your counsel, join in, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7. Join breakout room 7 and wait on him, okay?
All right.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Giles. Ms. Giles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer, which is to have her enter a plea to blocking traffic as to the failure to stop at a stop sign. The 2 remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it? Ms. Giles,
Yes, Your Honor.
when $175, when can you pay it?
Can you give me at least 30 days, Your Honor?
I'll give you 8/29/2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, Ms. Giles. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thanks, Your Honor. Have a good one.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus William Green, case number SP 1709691, counts 1, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
William Green.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Sergeant Robinson, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please? He's in the room. Go ahead, Mr. Berry, see if you can work this out for Mr. Green. Mr. Green, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for trial. Join the room, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garvin Barnes. Mr. Barnes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. I need a attorney, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. For the disorderly, he wants to he's gonna need an attorney to represent him. He wants to challenge that charge.
All right, well, it'll be all of it, will go together, those two. Now, Mr. Barnes, did Mr. Wallace answer all your questions?
Yeah, I was just trying to let him know the situation and how, like, why was it that I had got that ticket anyway?
Okay, all right, so I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-391-7262. So I gotta pay for this attorney?
No. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for you for August 21st, 2025 at 8:30. August 21st, 2025 at 8:30. I need you to answer the calls, 313-391-7262.
Yes.
I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney hasn't contacted you by or before August 21st, on August 21st, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, all right?
Okay.
All right, if you don't have anything further, Mr. Barnes, have a very good day. Best of
Your
luck
Honor,
to you.
Your Honor, one question. Mr. Barnes is trying to get his driver's license. Do you see anything that would stop him on your side of it?
Yes. He has this no insurance proof ticket. I'll allow Mr. Barnes, even though I won't set the default aside, meaning you'll have to pay the ticket. What I will do, I will allow you to pay the first $45 up front. You have to come down to the courthouse and pay that. That's that reinstatement fee. That's what's preventing you from getting the license here. I don't know what your driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions, but that ticket is causing you not to get a clearance. If you pay that $45 reinstatement fee, you should be able to go to the Secretary of State if you don't have anything in the other jurisdictions and get a valid driver's license. But you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse window and do that. There's no better way that I can let you pay that reinstatement fee, okay?
Okay.
You understand that, Mr. Barnes?
Yes, and I was gonna say too, I have insurance now too, so is there any way I can get that dropped?
Well, just pay the reinstatement fee. If the city attorney does, when we come back, if she has no objection to set the default aside, we'll consider it, all right?
Okay,
So pay that reinstatement fee now, and then set an appointment for the Secretary of State. But you gotta come down to the window.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right.
All right, Mr. Wallace, let's go back on the record with Ms. Garvin. Ms. Garvin trying to find something that you're indicating to the court that are you there? Oh.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
You indicated to the court that you did not recall being pulled over on that date and time. So let's go back further and see if you can recall some other event.
I misunderstood what you said when you asked me on that date did I get pulled over. How you rephrased it, I misunderstood what you said. I'm sorry.
So let's try it one more time. Let me carry your attention back to November the 8th, 2024 at around 3:23 a.m. in the city of Detroit. Oh, that didn't have an area. So that's why we didn't take that.
Yeah.
Let's carry your attention back to January 24th, 2024 at around 8:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Carper and Lakewood. Did you get stopped by the police that day, ma'am?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, and I didn't have license at that time.
Very good. find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. It said one failure to display, one allowing, one improper plate, and then one allowing, and then the equipment violation.
Yeah, so it'd be a failure to display, improper plate, allowing, and equipment violation. So 4 total.
Okay.
And with the stipulation to the dismissed counts.
So you don't want to mess this up, do you, Ms. Jordan? You're trying to get out of here, aren't you?
I'm not rushing. I got patience.
All right, we'll pass it then. We'll go to the next one.
Oh, no, I'm not saying do that. Please, no, Your Honor. But I'm saying if you want to take your time, you can.
All right. Let me
say you're doing a fine job, Your Honor, and she is not complaining.
We carry your attention way back to March the 22nd, 2022 at around 11 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of University and Bergen. Did you have an occasion on that day to get stopped by the police?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
If the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes. And I didn't have a license at the time, but I had my state ID.
All right. I'm going to find you guilty of amended count of allowing.
Okay.
All right. So, here's the deal. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
I'm only going to fine you for 2 of these, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
240 for the failure to display, and another 240 for the improper plate. I won't fine you for the other 2. You already owe the court money. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. When can you pay? 240 and 240.
Can I be put on a payment plan? Because I'm in college right now, so I got like.
I'm gonna give you till August 29th, 2025. Mark the file, allow payment plan.
Okay.
Any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or you come on down to the courthouse before August 29th and pay and get into that payment plan. Come back on August 29th and let us know what you've done, okay?
Okay. One more question, please.
Yes. Yes.
Can you tell me my full balance that I owe the court?
No, it's gonna have to update. You're gonna have to come on down and get a balance on that. Because it's gotta go into the system.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Best of luck.
Have a good day.
You have a better one. Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Tristan Lane Gist, case number SB 1509221. SB 160306931, SB 1703748, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 173-41561, SB 174-1196, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 174-12001, State of Michigan versus Tristan Lane Gist Jr., case number SX 4366422. Here for the record, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Gist.
Mr. Gist.
Mr. Gist. Sorry, Mr. Gist.
Sorry, I'm trying to turn my camera on.
State your name for the record, Mr. Gist.
Tristan Gist, TRISTANGIST.
Matters are in warrant status. A lot of them they're not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give them 0.5. I will recall the warrant. I don't know how many was on the docket. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cases into the record. You want me to read them off to you, Mr.
Yes,
Wallace?
please. Yes, please.
2 driver while license never acquired. That will be driver license never acquired twice. A failure to stop at a stop sign. Expired plate. No insurance proof. A no ops. Failure to stop at a stop sign. Expired plates. No insurance proof. No ops. And another no ops.
Okay.
Mr. Gist, an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gist, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer, right? Join the room, let's pass the matter. Are we ready on Gradsey?
Yes, Your Honor.
Got the full Gradsey out.
Oh,
let's go back on Green. Let's go back on the Mr. Green, William Green. I'm giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer to enter a plea as charged to the failure to the school bus charge and the other matter to be dismissed.
Mr. Green, you want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
That's an expensive charge there. I will find your client responsible for as charged in the school bus charge. You stipulate to the face of the ticket of an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I find your client responsible as charged in the failure to stop at the school bus. It's $295.
Is what?
It's $295. Trying to protect kids, Mr. Green. You got to stop when that school bus thing comes on.
Well, I'm not gonna take the plea. I'll go to court because no.
Well, we're in court now, so we're in court now. All right, so go back to and talk to Mr. Berry about it, because the officer's here, and I don't know if they're ready to go or not, but rejoin the breakout room and talk to Mr. Berry. All right.
All right.
All right. Rejoin the room. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lige. Ms. Lige, you want a trial date?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you a trial date of August the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m., Ms. Lige. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, sir.
All right, let's go back. Let's go with Gradsey. Ms. Gradsey, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Patel. Mr. Patel, can you put your appearance on the record for Ms. Gradsey?
Yes, Your Honor. Jayesh Patel, P number 65385.
Okay, Ms. Gradsey, did you two have a good conversation?
Yes, we did, Your Honor.
All right. Are you gonna join the program now?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, Ms. Grazzi, I'm gonna say this to you. I know that this might be one of the most difficult times in your life, and we will all be praying for you to get through this. I know the light might not be shining as bright for you right now as you would like it, and I guarantee you, though, with some perseverance and determination, that light will get brighter. I have seen Mr. Patel's program work. I've seen people even come out and get the jobs that they wanted and everything out of it. But I know at this point right now, it's difficult for you. I always leave you with this quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says, "The true test of a man and is not where they stand, where he or she stands in comfort and convenience, but where he or she stands in the times of challenges and controversies." So this is your test now. Why God chose this test for you, I can't answer that, but I do know that you can overcome this, and we're going to be praying that you do sooner rather than later. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to give you a pre-trial date of the 29th of September, I'm sorry, at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, ma'am, and you have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Your Honor.
Yes.
Do I have to come back to court on the 1st?
No, let's also call 247-650-8001, City of Detroit versus Latia Cressy into the record as well. No, you don't have to come back, Mr. Patel. You see it 29th of September. I just put that civil infraction on the record. We'll set the default aside on that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Still waiting on Mr. Green and two.
Anything further? Hold on a second, please. I'm not done on the record with Ms. Grass. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
What time, Your Honor?
At 8:30. 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Green, you have to, let me switch him so he can get the. You see the prompt, go to 2, Mr. Green, go back to 2, please. You heard that $295, you didn't want that deal anymore.
What the heck?
Yeah. All right. Oh, are you ready on Lewis?
Yes. So Mr. Wallace up on the screen, are you giving him a hard time? You should.
Sure. All right, let's go back on the record with Joshua Lewis. This is the City of Detroit versus Joshua Lewis. Case number U71235-125. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Mysteria, P 87848. Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, please state your full name for the record.
Joshua Lewis III.
All right. What are we gonna do?
Judge, we're setting this over for a bench trial.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Lewis, a trial date, right?
Yes.
Mr. Lewis, you're in good hands with Mr. Masari, all right?
All right.
All right. You guys exchange numbers and contact information?
I do have his contact information.
All right, very well. Mr. Lewis, come back on August the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right. Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Have we resolved the matter? What's going to go on? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to do? What's your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
He wants to have his formal hearings, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Snyder, are you there?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Green wants to have his formal hearing. Are you going to, it's formal hearing. I don't know if you want to work with Mr. Robinson or not.
I think I would leave it to Sergeant Robinson and yourself, Your Honor. Makes it easier. if I could call him for a moment, because I know he wasn't answering earlier. Let me see.
You can, where's Mr. Green out of these tenant windows? We can read him the right. How old are you, Mr. Green?
Beg your pardon?
How old are you?
71.
Where's his driver's license, please? Mr. William Green. All right, are we ready on Mr. Gist?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gist. Mr. Gist, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gist wants to take advantage of the offer from the people, which is the following. One count of failure to display, which would go to the no ops license or no ops. One expired plate, which there is an actual ticket for that. One failure to display or one failure to stop at a stop sign. And then one reduced count of allowing an unlicensed driver with a dismissal and a stipulation to the remaining charges.
Well, give me to me in how many failure to displays?
One FTD. One.
How many failure to displays? Just one?
Just one, Your Honor.
And then how many?
I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Then there'd be one expired plate, one failure to stop at a stop sign, and one allowing.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. All right, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial? Mr. Gibbs?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wallace went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, no, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to June 11th, 2025, around 4:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lawton and Glendale. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Nope. No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
It's a number of reasons. I don't wanna get into it, but I couldn't get it.
What do you mean you don't want to get into it?
No, I'm saying like it's a lot of reasons why I can't get my license. I got a lot of tickets. I got a lot, you know.
You don't have a valid license, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You didn't have a valid license. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Did the officer ask you was there something wrong with the plates on the car?
Yeah, they wasn't renewed with the tags.
Find you responsible as charged to the expired plate. And let me ask you this, mister, did you run the stop sign?
Yes, sir, I did.
So why would you, if you already know you don't have a valid driver's license, what possesses you to keep running these stop signs?
It was a rush. I didn't see him.
It doesn't matter whether you saw him or not.
I know that, but I'm saying I was in a rush. I was trying to do stuff. Like I got a lot of stuff going on in my life. So when I'm driving, I gotta do stuff. Stuff just happened, you know? Like stuff happened. I know it's not like I'm doing it on purpose or you feel me?
No, you are doing it on purpose. You just said you're in a rush.
Right.
I want him to take the better driver's course before I let him take this deal. Because what you just said to me, you're running these red lights because you got a lot on your mind. And no, stop. I don't need you. I didn't need you to talk. You said that you got a lot on your mind and you're in a rush and you're running these red lights, you're running these stop signs. You can't get in a vehicle like that. This better driver's course is going to help you to, you need to get a driver's license before you get back in another car. But I'm gonna put the better driver's course in the chat. And I'm gonna have you back next week. I'll leave this offer open. But I want you to take this better driver's course. And not only do I want you to take the course, I want you to be prepared to talk about what you learned out of this course. All right, how long have you, do you have a high school diploma, sir?
No, sir.
Are you able to read and write?
Yep.
All right, you see the chat down there?
Yep.
Take a screenshot of that.
It disappeared. Can you put it up again?
You can go back to it.
How do I do that?
Hit the chat, hit that chat button again. You get it?
Chat button.
Yeah, down at the bottom of your screen. I'll put it in there again.
Oh, I see it. Never mind. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I screenshotted it.
You screenshot it?
Yeah.
All right, my email address is in there, so send me the certificate once you're done. Please take it seriously, all right? Please take it seriously. And please be prepared to talk about what you learned, because what you just said that's exactly what they're gonna talk about. When you're shaking your head.
No, I was rubbing my lip. You couldn't see me.
All right, it's gonna be exactly what you're gonna talk about, the way you feel and the mood that you're in before you get in that automobile is gonna set the tone about how you're gonna be driving. You can't be up in a hurry and everybody else, you got kids walking out there, I see that's your neighborhood, but you're being in a hurry and you hitting and killing a kid out there is over with. So take the course. Come on back next week on August. I'll give you 7 days to take the course. Come back next week on August the 5th. I'll leave offer open. All right, August the 5th. Come back on time, Mr. Gist, all right?
All right.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day. 8:30. You're free to leave. All right. What's Mr. Is Willie Robinson available? Sergeant Robinson available?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We can't work this out without having a hearing.
My client indicates that he wants to have a hearing. Apparently notwithstanding what he was able to share with me.
I see he doesn't have any moving violations on his record.
It sounded like, Your Honor, I think the officer's coming in. It sounded like the part of the issue was the fine. I don't think we would object to amending it to community service, but I don't know Mr. Green's abilities.
Yeah. Operator, Bill Gore taking your views. I got the authority to reduce the fine, Mr. Green. Unless you still want your day in court, we can do that. I can fine you $100 for it. But if you want your day in court, we can hold the hearing.
I probably could afford the $100.
You want to admit to it?
Beg your pardon?
Do you want to admit to what the officer said you did, failing to stop at a school bus while flashing red?
I will, sir.
All right. Upon that stipulation,
Judge, we didn't go back on. You want to?
let's go back on the record with Mr. Willie Edward Green.
William.
William, sorry. I'm thinking of Willie Edward. He used to work down here. Remember, he used to be a probation officer. He passed away. Yep. Mr. William Green, Mr. Sergeant Robinson, state your name for the record and your badge number, department, please. Good morning to you.
Yes, sir. Good morning to you, Sergeant Willie Robinson, S25, Detroit Police. Good morning.
Good morning. All right. I need another pen. Sir. All right. All right. So, Mr. I have some. So, Mr. Green, you do admit to running that bus sign?
Yes, sir.
I don't know why?
Sir?
Why? This is the real question.
Your Honor, the bus was over in the right lane. It wasn't doing any school hours. And he had his flashes on. The stop sign wasn't out. He was over in the far right lane. The policeman was in the center lane, like he was having a conversation with the bus driver. There was nobody walking on the street, period. It wasn't during school hours, and I slowed down when I was approaching. I almost stopped. I wasn't even going nowhere near 5 miles an hour. I slowed down and kept going. I didn't stop. I didn't come to a complete stop. But I didn't think it was.
You're saying that it wasn't during school hours, but it was at 4:32 p.m. I mean, it was on Tuesday at 4:32 p.m. If school lets out at 3 o'clock, 3:30, I mean, they gotta get it.
They were out of school. They were out of school. Wasn't nobody on the street.
Go ahead, Mr. Sergeant Robinson.
All right, Your Honor. So the incident was caught on my dash cam. The stop sign on the school bus was out. The red flashers were activated. And I came to a stop for the bus because the lights were out and the stop sign was on. He then passed me on my left, but the issue is as I approached the front of the school bus, there were two kids waiting across the street.
Oh,
so
Lord.
I let the kids cross and then went after Mr. Green.
Oh.
And it is all caught on dash cam, sir.
I wish you could show him the dash cam.
He's
like sitting there, Lord, Lord, I can't believe this. This guy is lying on me.
Well, Your Honor, if you want to adjourn it, I'll be glad to show the dash cam. I can't show it right this moment, but I can show it tomorrow or any other date he wants to see it. I have no need to lie about.
I didn't say you're lying. I'm not saying you're lying. And I didn't say that Mr. Green says you're lying either. I just said Mr. Green's reaction kind of took me like, oh, Lord.
Yeah.
And I shouldn't have characterized it as lying either. I should have characterized it as he didn't see the kids or, oh, Lord, I didn't see them kids or whatever he was thinking.
Yeah, there were two kids and the lights were on.
Well, he said the lights were on.
And the stop sign was out, and there were two kids that were about to cross the street in front of me.
Boy.
You're shaking your head again, sir.
Because I did not see no stop sign out, and I even told the officer when he
Take
pulled
that
me
cigarette
over.
out your hand now.
Okay, it wasn't lit, but I even told the officer when he pulled me over that the stop sign wasn't out, and he told me where the flashes was on, and that's all that needed to be on.
And that's all that needs to be on. I just read you the statute.
Well, I'm
But
just saying the stop sign wasn't out, and he's now saying that it was.
the stop sign was out. Yes, sir.
Go. When can you bring the video tomorrow on Thursday?
I can show the video tomorrow, sir. Oh, I can. Yes, I can do it tomorrow.
Show it Thursday. Come
I
back
can do
on
it Thursday.
Thursday. I want to see this video.
Me
Yes,
And I
sir.
want
Not a
Mr.
problem.
And I wanted Mr. Green to see the video as well.
What
Come
time, Your
back at 8:30.
Okay. Thursday at 8:30. I'll be there.
We'll adjourn this till August strike that till July the 31st. July the 31st, we'll adjourn it to at 8:30. Bring the
Yes, sir.
video.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go ahead,
You
Mr.
we're gonna view it Thursday?
Thursday, yes.
Because I was kind of confused when you were saying July.
Now, yeah, July 31st, that's Thursday. Isn't it?
Yeah, today is the 29th.
Yeah.
Now you confusing me.
It's because you said January 1st, Judge.
I know, I confuse, I do that all the time. All right, we're gonna see the video.
Yes, sir. I'll see you on Thursday.
All right, Mr. Green, be safe. Mr. Sergeant Robinson, I know he's gonna be back Thursday, sure.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Green, you coming back Thursday?
Thursday, 8:30.
Okay, have a good day. Everybody be safe.
Y'all have a
Yes,
good day.
sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, anybody else? Is that it? That looks like it.